Namaste. Today's video is about various styles of yoga, whatever I could understand from my experience. The most traditional style of yoga is Hatha Yoga. Hatha means force. The principle of Hatha Yoga is reaching the mind through the body. Essentially, a Hatha Yoga class will begin with warm-up or loosening practices, then Surya Namaskara, then asanas, standing, sitting, lying down, pranayama and meditation. Another style of yoga is Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga means 8 limbs. This style of yoga comes from the lineage of Mysore style or Patabi Jois. It has got primary series, intermediate, advanced series. So it's a system of practice which is a flow from Ashtanga A, B, Surya Namaskara and various asanas. Another style of yoga is Power Yoga. The Power Yoga is basically to improve your strength and good for weight loss. So it's a kind of vinyasa where various asanas are linked through different steps. Another important style of yoga is BKS Iyengar style of yoga, where a lot of focus is given on alignments and the postures that you do. Apart from that, a lot of props and equipments are used to assist the practice or take them to the next level. That is Iyengar yoga. Another style of yoga is Yin yoga. In Yin yoga, people stay in a particular asana for long durations and try to relax there. One more style of yoga is aerial yoga, where people do the asanas on suspended swings or hammocks. Thereby, the benefit of gravity is taken in the practice of yoga. Acro yoga, where the principles of acrobatics are included into yogasanas. Bikram yoga or hot yoga, in which the ambient temperature is increased or elevated and it promotes a lot of sweating and strength building. Then you've got different styles like senior citizen yoga, kids yoga, beginners yoga, advanced yoga, dynamic hatha yoga. All these are different styles of yoga that are available for practicing. Let me tell you, all these yoga practices are basically coming from the same place. The fundamentals will not change. They are suited to different needs, that's all. Choose the one that is right for you. Get the benefits with good practice. Whatever practice you're doing, ensure that you start up with a warming exercise and then you go to something dynamic like Surya Namaskara, something static like staying in a particular asana and deep yogic breathing. Then you do breathing practices like pranayama and then silence, shavasana, meditation, etc. Ensure that you put your full 100% into the practice. Take good breaths. Observe good drishti. Follow quality oriented practices. Try to learn. Be more and more mindful. See, these fundamentals are not going to change whichever yoga class you're going to attend. Keep practicing. Enjoy. Namaste.